Dealing with garden affairs was really easy. It was just a WhatsApp text of what can I do with my garden, and then next thing I knew, it was really easy to schedule an appointment. My name is Reem Almealla, and I'm a marine biologist. I'm a nature lover by default, that's how I describe myself, and we were renovating the house to make it more like cozy and to match more the age of everyone living here. As time passes, everything changes, and it was time for our garden to match our energies and ages and what we want in life. What do I look for in a garden? I look for life, natural life, attracting butterflies, dragonflies, insects, everything's welcome, a real garden. It's the feeling like where reality matches fantasy. So it's something that is in the imagination but can come to life, and that's what I wanted my garden to look like, and I feel like it's there. We're at the beginning of the journey, but I'm very excited to see what it will be. I chose garden affairs because I love the approach and the concept that they would always like share with the public. And I was very much attracted to not just the picture, but more the concept of how the posts were posted, and I loved the different topics that were being discussed. More, for me, a more educational approach, but also with a lot of nature-based solutions, really, rather than okay, let's just put these insecticides. One thing I loved about Mahmoud was when he told me he put the marigolds in because they work as a natural insecticides, and for me that's definitely a win-win. Dealing with garden affairs was really easy. It was just a WhatsApp text of what can I do with my garden, and then next thing I knew, it was really easy to schedule an appointment. And I loved the fact that it was not just verbal explanation of what I could do. It was also, I would get like pictures and actual like landscaping ideas of what it would look like, so that helped me imagine what it would look like and make my decision. I'm very excited. I didn't expect to see such like a live garden within like 48 hours of the work beginning. And so I'm very excited to see it even blossom even more. I'm already happy with it.